and the people them know me and know how me operate. So I don't need to answer to nobody. When this one comment go across the street, this up a while ago. You don't know say me no do rebuttal. So me just keep my silence and move on. And especially it's a new year, I'm just focusing on the task at hand. You understand? Nobody not gonna gain followers from me. They can send them come over here to Mrs. Ellis because we need them, right guys? We need the followers because the more followers we have, the more support we get on the program. So when people talk about us, we get followers. So I don't want nobody mention anything on the page. I don't want it over here. You want to inbox me? Fine, but we don't want anything mentioned on this page. We just pretend like we don't know anything. People them that we're helping is what is important right now. Anything else can stay. So remember that we said for 2024, we want to remain positive. You understand? So if me go off track, I'm gonna try to get me back in a lane. You understand? And as I said from last year, I am trying to get closer to God. This is my New Year resolution, to get closer to God. So me now go in a day which I've never been in. So I just stay in a lane and stay right in a lane. Because people have to talk. Some people have to talk to get their income. I don't have to do that. You understand? Some people talk, by talking they gain income from that. So let them talk. Michelle Esther all Michelle Esther all morning. I know morning now. I'm morning now, morning gone because it's after 12. Yeah man, new year, new beginning. We don't focus on people that are not important. You see what I was saying, one of the things when you rebut, if I'm using the right word, that's what people aim for you to rebut and for them to get followers and you know. But I don't do that over here. They won't hear that from me. I am in my lane. I stay in my lane. You know this, but you know somebody send me a little clip and I really had to laugh. You understand? I really had to laugh. But as I said, my donors know me, so nobody else matters to me. I want charity when me listen to my donors. Yeah. Me don't be a chat and chat and chat. I want this to happen and I want this to happen. And if my donors them not with it, never change me talk. You understand? So it's all about my donors and not what my donors them want. So anybody else me not really matter. And me say this, me can't say come and say me want to do this and that. And if my donors them no want to do that, me have to change me talk. Me not talk about the people that will come here and chat with them mouth and them not bag a talk and nothing, they do nothing. As I said for this year, it's a different thing for me. Different, new year, new things. See, so for all the people that want to know me, I want to say me start the new year by showing my face. Yeah. So all the new followers, I don't really see this face very often. So at the first new year live this. So me I show no my face, all who don't know me. I me this and that's how me look. So when you even see me behind the camera, me no camera person. Me afraid to come for my own live. You don't know that too.